Hello everybody, this is Mr. Woody. Welcome to Back to School Night. This is my slide presentation. This presentation will include classroom overview, scheduling and attendance, communication, and what's next in the future for us. For classroom overview, my curriculum consists of a combination of functional academics, vocational, and domestic skills. The overall goal of the curriculum is to offer functional academic curriculum that begins to prepare students for high school curriculum and adulthood. So essentially what this means is that I like to focus on academics that they can use throughout their lives, in high school, adulthood, and so on. Things like counting money, telling time, being able to identify and read survival words that are of utmost importance to them in their daily lives. I also like to focus on things that help with getting a job later on in life, and also how to take care of themselves. The overall goal is to be as independent as possible, and I like to try and achieve that with each of my kids. I also like to focus on a wide range of academics. As you may have seen from some of the Zoom classes that you may have participated in with your children, we cover a wide range of topics that help foster such concepts as reading comprehension, word identification, basic arithmetic, and also the identification of, as I said before, essential words and mathematical concepts and reading concepts that relate to adulthood and living in the real world. Once we're back in the community, we'll begin to return to other aspects of the important curriculum, which involve a greater focus on social skills and community-based instruction. For schedule and attendance, right now in the virtual world, the main part of our schedule focuses on the synchronous part of the day, which takes place from 9:30 to 12:30 on Mondays and 8:30 to 12:30 Tuesdays and Fridays. The asynchronous time is considered from 1:30 to 3:08, with an optional meeting from 1:30 to 2:15. Starting next week, the optional meeting will end at 2:15 instead of 2:50. Count everybody present in the class who either shows for synchronous learning, which is the time that's in the morning, or provides evidence of asynchronous work samples. I understand if not everybody can attend for the entire amount of the day. Things have come up during this time which make it very difficult for all students to attend, and I understand that. But at the same time, I encourage everybody to come in if they can. I want to make sure that my kids know that they always have a place to go, whether it's virtual or we're in the real classroom. If you're unable to attend, I understand. If you're able to provide work samples of what you are doing, that's important. That's great. That's something that I'm really looking for. So even if you can't make it, but you're still able to do the work, by all means, if you can please show me these materials through either email, copies, or even photographs sent to my email, I would appreciate that very, very much. Communication. So the best way to reach me is through email, dylanwoody@vistausd.org. I will also continue to provide weekly newsletters providing updates for what will be going on during the upcoming week. Many parents have asked for a copy of the next day assignments prior to the day of, and I'll continue to provide that to you. If there's something that you're not sure about in regards to any of the assignments, please just reach out to me. Email is the best way. That's the way that you can get hold of me the fastest. If you do need to call me, the number is 760-940-0176, extension 62410. But these messages essentially just go to my email anyways, so I'll catch them through the email before I get to the telephone. What's in the future? So as of now, the start back date is October 20th. but there is a possibility we could be back into the regular classroom before October 20th. The district is making a plan for secondary level schools, middle and high schools, to go back with as much safety and precaution as possible. Once I know more, you'll know more. As of now, it's still in the planning stages. So I'm hoping to know more soon. And once I do, I'll be sure to let you guys know as soon as I can. So thank you very much for attending this. If you have questions, remember you can always reach out to me at dylanwoody@vistausd.org. There's also a parent questionnaire that if you'd like to fill out, we would appreciate it. If you go back to the page where you clicked on the link to view this presentation, you'll find the parent questionnaire attached. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for attending Back to School Night. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.